Hey YouTube universe, this is Nick again here at Fairfield Garden Center. This video is going to be on another fall bacteria that we carry. It's by Microbe-Lift. It's part unboxing and part talking about the bacteria. Let's get started. This is the Microbe-Lift Autumn Winter Prep Bacteria and Enzyme Kit. Good for up to 40 degrees pond temperature. It gives you two products on the inside. The first one is the liquid that you might notice the bottle from the Microbe-Lift PL. Similar, but this is the winter formula, so it's able to withstand colder temperatures. Also, you have the measuring cup and the enzyme packs. The enzyme packs you throw in once a month. This helps break down any stuff that's at the bottom of the pond. And the bacteria, there's a dosing guide on the back that'll show you exactly what to do. Here's the dosing guide, anywhere from 80 gallons all the way up to 2,500 gallons. You have an initial dosage, sometimes they call that the purge. You put a lot more bacteria in the first dose. The next 3 weeks, you dose once per week. They do have a maintenance where it drops it down to once a month. You could always do more of the bacteria. Bacteria will never hurt your pond, especially when we're shutting down our ponds. We want to make sure there's enough of this good stuff in the pond, so it's a lot easier to open it up in the fall. If you would like to reach us, follow us on Facebook. Just search Fairfield Garden Center. Follow us on Twitter at NJFGC. Follow us on YouTube at Fairfield Garden Center. You can also sign up for our emails at fairfieldgardencenter.com. Or if you have a question for me, my email is nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.